This is an in-service training program presented by Nutrition Care Systems. Today's topic, cross-contamination in the dish room. Today's learning objectives are to understand the definition of cross-contamination, learn the steps to take to minimize the chance of cross-contamination in the dish room, and know how to allow dishes to dry properly. What is cross-contamination? According to the Partnership for Food Safety Education, cross-contamination is defined as the following: the transfer of harmful substances or disease-causing microorganisms to food by hands, food contact surfaces, sponges, cloth towels, or utensils which are not cleaned after touching raw food and then touch ready-to-eat foods. Cross-contamination can also occur when raw food touches or drips onto cooked or ready-to-eat foods. Steps to prevent cross-contamination in the dish room. Make sure you scrape all dishes before running through the dish machine. Make sure the dishes are not stacked or they're overly crowded on the racks. In order to be thoroughly clean, the water must be able to flow freely through all of the dishes. Assign one employee to handle the dirty dishes and another separate employee to receive the dishes or utensils once they are clean. If you only have one employee that's available, he or she must wash their hands anytime they move from the dirty dishes to the clean dishes. And of course, allow all dishes and utensils to air dry before being stacked or put away on shelves. Do not use a towel to hand dry any dishes. Towels can hold bacteria, which can then be transferred to the clean dishes if they're used for drying. Let's take a short quiz on cross-contamination in the dish room. Question number 1. Disease-causing microorganisms can be transferred to food by A. Unclean hands, B. Sponges, C. Cloth towels, or D. All of the above. And the answer to question number 1, disease-causing microorganisms can be transferred to food by D. All of the above. Unclean hands, sponges, and cloth towels. Question number 2. Dishes or utensils should be dried by A. Using a paper towel, B. Allowing them to air dry, C. Using your apron, or D. Use a cloth towel. And the answer to question number 2, dishes or utensils should be dried by B. Allowing them to air dry. Question number 3. Key steps to prevent cross-contamination include A. Scrape all dishes before running through the dish machine. B. Make sure dishes are not stacked or overly crowded on the racks. C. Assign one employee to handle the dirty dishes and another employee to receive the dishes or utensils once they are clean. Or D. All of the above. And the answer to question number 3. Key steps to prevent cross-contamination include, and that would be D, all of the above. Question number 4 is true or false. Cross-contamination can occur when raw food touches or drips onto cooked or ready-to-eat foods. And the answer to question number 4 is true. Cross-contamination can occur when raw food touches or drips onto cooked or ready-to-eat foods. Question number 5, true or false? It is okay to handle dirty and clean dishes at the same time. The answer to question number 5 is false. You may not handle dirty and clean dishes at the same time. You either must have 2 different employees, or you must wash and sanitize your hands in between handling dirty and clean dishes. Thank you for your participation in today's program. Our goal is for you to use this information in your daily work. We hope you are well served today and every day. If you would like more information about our in-service training programs or consulting dietitian services, please contact us at 1-800-761-9200 or nutritioncaresystems.com.